In this video, we will talk about the relationship between two sets. First of all, before you start to think about the relationship between sets, you have to determine what's the universal set that your elements exist in. Sometimes you're given the universal set, sometimes you're not. Let's look at this particular example. Set A is a set of elements A, B, and C. Set B is a set of elements A, E, I, O, U. I chose that the universal set, it's always denoted by U, as universe, is all the letters of the English alphabet. If this wasn't given, you could have assumed that universal set is the letters of the English alphabet, or you can make it more wide and say it's letters of all languages in the world. Next thing that we want to do is to try to represent this using Venn diagrams. So, there's a circle for set A, and the most general position for set B will be position that intersects set B. So this is set A, this is set B, and then we need the universe as well. Universe is always denoted as a rectangle that contains everything. So universe, here we go, U. Set A contains element A, but so does set B. So I see A here and A here. That means that A has to belong to the region that's at the same time in A and B. That means the overlap of A and B. It's right here. And let me label that. Then element B belongs only to A, so it has to be in the region that belongs only to A, but not B, so that's this region here. And the same applies for element C, because C is only in A but not in B. Now the rest of the elements belong only to B, because we already exhausted all elements from A, so those elements have to be in this region, because this is the region within B but not in A. So we'll put the rest of them E, I, O, U. So E, I, O, U. You make sure that you exhaust all the elements, you don't forget anything. And then, what's the rest of the elements? Most of the time, it doesn't really ask me what's out of those sets A and B, but it is useful to remember that the rest of the letters of the English alphabet that are not in A or B will be placed outside, so I can actually put them here. So A is already here, B is here, C is here, so D, E is in B, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O belongs to B, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And that's it.